Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change your two-step verification PIN on WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to simply click on my WhatsApp right here. After you open up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. So click on that. This is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on two-step verification. Just like so. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on change. And you'll be asked to enter your new 6-digit number. Then you have to enter it and confirm it. Once you are done, then click on OK. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your two-step verification PIN on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.